नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. A question about receiving injection, corona vaccine and glucose drip while fasting. So receiving injections, corona vaccine and glucose drips are allowed, permitted in the fast. Fast remains valid. It doesn't break the fast because they are absorbed by the skin and don't enter directly in the stomach. However, the using of the energy injection for gaining power in the fasting is disliked, makruh. Next question is about using of the ear and the nose drops. So using of the ear and nose drops are not allowed, not permitted in the fasting because it breaks the fast. Next question is about using of the eye drops, which are allowed, permitted in the fast because fast remains valid. Next question is about using of the alcohol, surma, eyeliner in the fast is allowed, fast remains valid. Next question is about using of the toothpaste, which is disliked, and if it comes down to the throat, then it breaks the fast. So may Allah help us to understand the Quran and the Sunnah. After viewing this video, share it. It will become sadaqah jariyah for you. Mama alayna illa al-balagh al-mubin.